Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set up the session indicator on TradingView. And I will show you how to add the indicator and how you can edit the indicator. So the first step that we're going to do is click right here on indicator and search right here for session. Then from here you will find right here sessions by Luxelgo. So we click right there on that session, and then right now, if you can see, you have sessions right here on the chart. Now let's zoom a little bit in right here, and then if you want to edit right here the sessions, you can go right here to the Luxelgo sessions and then click right here on this option. Now if you want to do that, you can change right here the visibility, the style, and right here the inputs. Right here at input, you can also change right here the colors. You can also change right here transparency if you want to do that. So you can put it to 50 or you can put it to 90, what it was. So I like this the most. Then if you scroll down, you have also more options. You can also click right here on show sessions divider here in the bottom. And you have also right here an advanced dashboard if you want to add that. But you have a lot of options right here that you can add. So decide for yourself which one you want to do. But this is how you can set up right here the sessions indicator on TradingView. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.